my name's Helen and I work in Infection Prevention Control. We're doing this video to show you how to use wipes to clean surfaces. There are 5 steps to cleaning a surface. The first step is to choose the right wipe. We have 2 wipes. We have the Clinell Universal wipes, and we also have the Clinell Clorox wipes. These Clorox wipes smell of chlorine. The next step is to fold out the wipe. You'll be shown how to do this in some demonstration of cleaning the surfaces later on. You need to fold out the wipe to its full capacity in order to clean correctly. The next stage is to clean the entire surface of what you are cleaning, be that a pump, be that your desk, be that a keyboard. Then you need to use 1 wipe per surface. Do not use the same wipe that you've used for your keyboard to clean your telephone, for example. The last and most important step is to use an S-shaped motion while you're using the wipe to clean to ensure that you cover all parts of the surface.